need to add an ad hoc session to your diary or have it recurring on a regular basis, it's easy to add fixed time when you're available to see patients at a particular location. To add a session, click the plus symbol on the top right of the screen and click Session. Give your session a name that makes sense to anyone seeing your diary. Choose the specialty from the options available. If you've got a PPR profile, this will be pre-populated. You can also choose a subspecialty if you want. Choose the relevant location. Now choose the appointment types you want to make available in the session. For multiple types, just keep ticking the options and then click outside the drop-down box. Add the start and end times and the start date. Choose the recurrence. Your options are don't repeat for a single ad hoc session, daily, weekly, or monthly. You can choose the interval between each recurrence and by using the toggle can apply a daily session to all the days in your work week or choose what days in your work week to apply a weekly session to. For a monthly session, you can choose a specific day of the month or define a specific week within the month. Now add the end date. You can also click the End After Radio button to show how many times you want the session to appear in your diary. Here you can add any notes relevant to the session. Review the details on the right-hand side of the page and click back if you need to make any changes. If you're happy, click Save.